What's up guys? Today's video is about the top 5 best welding gloves for MIG of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. Now let's get started. Number 1. Custom-made durable hot tub spa cover. When it comes to protecting your spa, MySpaCover delivers top-notch solutions with its custom-made hot tub and spa covers. Proudly made by America's largest spa cover supplier, these covers are designed to fit any shape or size up to 96 by 96 inches, providing the perfect replacement for your existing cover. Crafted from 30 ounces marine-grade vinyl or Weathershield fabric, MySpaCover guarantees durability in all weather conditions. Whether it's rain, snow, hail, or dust, these covers are designed to withstand the harshest elements, ensuring your hot tub stays protected year-round. With reinforced double stitching, these covers are built to last and provide superior protection. What sets MySpaCover apart is its energy-efficient design. Featuring high-quality virgin EPS insulation foam, these covers offer excellent heat retention, saving customers up to $100 per year on energy bills. The foam thickness ranges from 4, 5, to 6 inches, ensuring optimal insulation based on your specific needs. Number 2. Himal Square Hot Tub Cover. Protecting your outdoor hot tub has never been easier with the Himal Square Hot Tub Cover. Designed to fit most square hot tubs up to 85 by 85 inches, this cover is engineered to deliver maximum durability and protection against the elements. Crafted from premium 600D polyester fabric with an advanced PU coating, this cover ensures complete waterproofing. Whether you're dealing with rain, snow, or accidental splashes, the Himal hot tub cover provides a durable and impermeable shield, keeping your hot tub dry and ready for use. The breathable design is another highlight. With air vents strategically placed on both sides, this cover prevents condensation from building up, allowing moisture to escape while still keeping the inside dry and protected. Number 3. THECOVERGUY Superior Energy Efficiency. For those seeking the ultimate protection for their hot tubs, the THECOVERGUY Premium Hot Tub Cover offers unmatched durability, energy savings, and reliability. Designed with over 30 years of manufacturing expertise, this custom-made spa cover is built to handle harsh climates while reducing energy costs, making it a top choice for hot tub owners. Crafted from high-density foam and marine-grade vinyl, the cover is engineered to withstand heavy loads and harsh winters. Whether it's snow, ice, or debris, this hot tub cover ensures your water stays clean, while its 4 lockable tie-downs provide added safety and peace of mind. The cover's innovative zero-waste absorption technology sets it apart from competitors. By wrapping the foam to prevent waterlogging, the THECOVERGUY ensures that your spa cover remains effective over time, unlike many others that absorb water and lose their insulating properties. Number 4. UCEDER Waterproof Hot Tub Cover. The UCEDER Waterproof Hot Tub Cover is designed for optimal protection and durability, ensuring that your outdoor spa is safeguarded year-round. Crafted from high-quality 600D polyester fabric with a TPU backing layer, this heavy-duty cover boasts superior tear and cold resistance, capable of withstanding temperatures as low as 15 degrees Celsius. Unlike covers made from PVC, the TPU layer provides better oil resistance, waterproofing, and anti-color transfer properties. This versatile hot tub cover is not just a winter essential, it offers protection in all seasons. Whether it's shielding your spa from rain, hail, dirt, bird droppings, or harsh sunlight, the UCEDER cover is 100% waterproof and UV resistant, preserving the life and appearance of your hot tub. The secure design features an adjustable wind belt and elastic cords, ensuring a tight fit that stays in place even in windy conditions, preventing the cover from blowing off. Additionally, the product comes with a 3-year warranty, providing peace of mind and hassle-free returns or refunds in case of any issues. Protect your investment with the UCEDER Waterproof Hot Tub Cover, the ultimate choice for spa owners seeking longevity and quality for their outdoor spa. Number 5. Covermates Square Hot Tub Cover. Keep your hot tub or spa in top condition with the Covermates Square Hot Tub Cover, designed to offer exceptional protection while being lightweight and easy to handle. Measuring 92W×92DX14H, this cover is tailored to fit standard-sized hot tubs with hard tops, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Crafted from the reliable 12-gauge vinyl as part of the Covermates Classic Collection, this hot tub cover is built to withstand moderate weather conditions. The polyester lining adds an extra layer of protection, shielding your spa from dust, dirt, rain, and UV rays. Whether you're dealing with moderate rainfall, wind, or even light snow, this cover ensures your hot tub remains clean and in great condition. The cover is especially beneficial for regions with varying weather patterns, protecting your investment through changing seasons. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.